The Haunted Mouse. We're going to be incorporating notes that require us to hold and notes that require us to jump. The new word, if you recall, is staccato. So with any dot below the notes here, we're going to be jumping. Okay, left hand. Let's hold this down. 2 on A, my right hand thumb on middle C, and 3 on E. Hold the left hand down. Jump, jump, jump. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Louder. Go to the lowest key on the piano and jump, hold. Let's only look at the left hand first. 2 on A, play, hold that down. Keep holding it down. To A, hold, A, hold, B, A, and the lowest key. Switch to right hand. Thumb on C and 3 on E. Jump,